Familiarize yourself with the 2012 Mercedes-Benz GLK Class. With less than 20,000 miles on the odometer, this four-door sport utility vehicle prioritizes comfort, safety, and convenience. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 7-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth and predictable driving experience. The following features are included: variably intermittent wipers, a leather steering wheel, a power seat, front dual-zone air conditioning, remote keyless entry, and one-touch window functionality. Everything is where it ought to be, from the dashboard controls to the door locks and window controls. Mercedes-Benz also prioritized safety and security by including dual front impact airbags, brake assist, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. This vehicle has achieved certified pre-owned status by passing Mercedes-Benz's comprehensive certification process. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.